If you don't know this trick, you missed out on something seriously very handy. I'm going to show you how you make this. You know all those strap bands that you have? They're just a big mess. What if they could look like this? So I'm showing you this one. These are my NRS strap bands for my rubber boat. And of course they come like this. And this is usually where it's getting messed up when you store them. But if you take your strap band, you stick it through in the back opening here, behind actually the locking mechanism, like this. And then you pull out about this much. This is about 3-inch or 5-inch, something like that. I think 15-20 centimeters. Then you lock it down like this. You should think about this. This is what's going to be rotated around to hold everything together later. So you need to have it long enough to cover this whole circle. I'll take a little bit more to be on the safe side. There you are. Then I just follow down to the bottom. I fold it from here and I roll it up like this. And you want to roll it very, very tight. The tighter you roll it, the smaller it will be. And there you go. Now, since you have this strap here, you can rotate this one around to keep it all tight together. And then you click on this one. You stick it through and then you lock it down. And now you can tighten it. You tighten it maximum by giving a few more clockwise twists like this. And then you push a little bit. And here's your super tight, perfectly organized tension strap band. Now these ones don't fall apart. Cheers, guys.